tutorial how to create a new page on my Lalilala website. So as you can see, I have my Lalilala website open and I want to create a new page. So I say like, let's create a blog section. So I made a little bit more interactive and more engaged in the content of my website. So I want to create that new page. So we are going to check in the right icons that we have, and we are going to click on the third one, the one that says page. We click on it and we are going to be able to see all the pages that I have created on my website. So I'm going to create in the plus icon, the blue one, and as we say, we are going to name it with blog because I want to see that as a blog. We enter or click on it and it's going to redirect us to the blog page, to the new page that you create. As you can see here, there are different templates that it can be used over this page. So actually there is one that it says blog, so I'm going to use it. I click on it and it shows us how it's gonna be preview our blog. Then you can change the font, the images, and you can modify it as you want. That's how you create a new page in Lalilala website builder.